Alright guys, my name is Shervin, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about crypto credit cards and whether or not you should get one. Now recently, Crypto.com has taken the world by storm by offering their amazing credit cards that have high cashback rates, amazing rewards, and as well as all of that, have no annual fee whatsoever. But that said, they do have a catch where for each of these credit cards, you have to invest a certain amount into the Crypto.com coin, which is also known as the CRO coin for short. Now, if you watched my last video where I talked about crypto staking, I explained how investing into the CRO coin can earn you higher interest rates on staking your other cryptocurrency as well. And of course, on top of that, you can get one of these amazing credit cards as well and get all the amazing rewards that come with it. Now, if you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to walk you through why these credit cards are so amazing, what the differences are between the different tiers of credit cards that are offered to you that you can choose from, and which one is the right choice for you. Now, all that I ask for in return is that if you enjoy this video, do me a favor and smash the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. It only takes you a second to do, but it helps me out a lot when it comes to other people finding my videos on YouTube. So if you could just take the time and do that, I'd really appreciate it. But with that said, let's get right into the first credit card tier, and that is the Ruby Steel. Now, in order to qualify for this card, you need to invest at least $400 into the CRO coin and hold it for at least 6 months. Now, once you've done that and got your hands on this card, the advantages are that you get 2% cash back on every purchase that you make on the card, and as well as that, you get 100% back on your Spotify subscription. Now, even though these are good rewards, personally, I actually like the next tier a lot better than this one, and I kind of overlooked this one because the next tier not only gives you a lot more rewards and a lot more cash back, it also allows you to get a higher percentage when you're staking your cryptocurrency on Crypto.com. Now, this next tier is the Royal, Indigo, and Jade Green tier, and it comes with a minimum investment of $4,000 into the CRO coin. Again, as I mentioned in the previous video, if you invest $4,000 into the CRO coin and hold it for at least 6 months, then you're going to get much higher rates when you're staking your cryptocurrency on Crypto.com. And of course, as well as that, you get one of these cards. Now, these cards come with a 3% cashback rate, and as well as that, they give you 100% back on your Spotify subscription and your Netflix subscription. Also, on top of this, you get airport lounge access for one as well. Now, this tier is the one that I myself like best. For one, it's still affordable. It's not going to be asking you these crazy investments that come with the next couple of tiers. For two, it has a lot of great rewards that come with the card. And for three, you're also going to be receiving a higher interest rate when it comes to your crypto staking because you're still putting $4,000 into the CRO coin, holding it for the 6-month period that you need to hold. And as a result, you're going to get those higher interest rates as well. But that said, if you want to check out the next tier, it is the Rose Gold and Icy White cards. Now for this tier, you need to invest at least $40,000 and hold it for at least 6 months in order to qualify for these cards. Now that's a lot of money to invest, but once you do that, you get 5% back on all your purchases with this card. You also get 100% back on your Spotify, Netflix, and Prime Video subscriptions. You get the airport lounge access with one additional guest as well. And as well as that, you get 10% off of Expedia. Now, if you are one of those people who are going to put $40,000 into the CRO coin anyways, just to get those higher interest rates when it comes to crypto staking, then you might as well get this card as well. It's fantastic. It has a lot of amazing rewards, but I'm not really sure if it's worth it for someone who wasn't going to put that $40,000 into the CRO coin anyways. That's because even though the rewards are fantastic, I just think $40,000 is a lot of money to put into the CRO coin just for a credit card, especially given the fact that the CRO coin is not exactly the most stable coin ever. Also, on top of that, you can still get a lot of these rewards with the previous tier when you only put $4,000 instead of $40,000. So overall, I would say this is a fantastic card for those who are going to put $40,000 down anyways, but for everyone else, I would just stick with the previous tiers because you still get a lot of these amazing rewards for far less investment being required of you into the CRO coin. Now, last but not least, we have the Obsidian card, which is a very appropriate name because the requirements for this card are just absurd. Now, in order to get your hands on this card, you need to invest $400,000 into the CRO coin and hold it for at least 6 months. Now that is an absolutely insane amount of money to put into the CRO coin of all things. But if you are a multimillionaire and for some reason you decided to do this, you get 8% cash back on all your purchases with this card. As well as that, you get all the rewards from the previous tier and you also get 10% back on your Airbnb purchases. Now, don't get me wrong, 8% cashback is fantastic, but investing $400,000 for 6 months into such an unstable coin, it's just lunacy. Especially when you compare this to the previous tier, where you only put down 40,000 US dollars and you pretty much got all the same rewards and only 3% less in cashback. So overall, those were the Crypto.com credit cards. As I mentioned, I would stick to the middle tiers where you're getting the best value for the amount that you're investing into the CRO coin. I should also mention that the cashback that you receive from these cards will be given to you in the form of more CRO coins, and it will be deposited immediately into your wallet. So just another thing to keep in mind, that you're not actually receiving actual cash with the cashback, and you're receiving more CRO coins. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below and join the community. I make 3 new videos a week on personal finance and investing, and by subscribing to the channel, you get to see all my new videos right as it comes out. Also, if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we talked about today, make sure to let me know in the comment sections down below, where I always answer every single question that comes in. Alright, so that's about it, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.